Hello travelers, so today we're taking a look at this here, which is the CarbonMag power bank, which is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank with 15 watt max output. And this is interesting because it actually supports Qi 2 charging, and that is because it is actually a wireless magnetic power bank. So this is designed to be used with something like the iPhones, or if you have the Samsung with the magnetic case, you should be able to attach that too. So I have it here. This is the power bank. As you can see, it's 10,000 milliamp hour, has a nice magnetic attachment point there. On the side you have the power button, and when you press this button here, it lights up with the amount of charge. So at the moment I have 2 lights, but it actually has 4 lights that light up for a full charge, and then this light on the end indicates that it is attached to something or charging something. So if I attach it to my iPhone here, you can see how well that attaches. It is a very strong magnetic attachment, and now that it is attached, you can see that that light on the bottom is lit up to indicate that it is in fact charging this iPhone. So you can see there it's also charging. So what I do like about this one is that it is very small and lightweight. It's not really that much bigger than the previous power bank that we looked at, which was the Pocket 10,000 from Nightcore. Now this one's not a magnetic case, but this weight of this one is roughly the same as this one here, which is the Zendure Super Mini. Now this one I think was about 180 grams, and that was previously the lightest weight power bank that I had been using and really liked. But this one, of course, is a bit smaller, thinner, and is magnetic, so I don't need a cable with this one. So obviously this is actually a very nice and compact alternative. Now, something about wireless power banks like this one is that sometimes they're not very comfortable to hold, but this one actually has a very nice feeling in the hand. It's very rounded and smooth, and it actually doesn't feel too heavy either. So when I'm holding it like this, I can still use my phone as normal, and it doesn't feel sort of awkward. It does come off the edge a bit because this is the mini iPhone, but it actually doesn't feel sort of unnatural because the width as well is actually very similar. Now another thing with these sort of magnetic cases can be that they block the camera, but even with this one here, which is the mini iPhone, it doesn't block the camera at all. So I can still use the camera and you can't see the power bank when you're taking photos, which is actually quite interesting. So I'll just show you that quickly. Even with the wide angle camera, you cannot see the power bank on the bottom, which is very cool. And to get it off, it's actually quite difficult because there's quite a lot of strength in these magnets. So it's definitely not going to fall off accidentally. As you can see on the bottom, it does have a USB-C in and out port. So you can actually use this to charge other devices as well as when you're magnetically charging your phone. And actually you can charge your phone magnetically and something else at the same time. And you can also charge the power bank and charge your phone magnetically at the same time as well. So it's very versatile and has a lot of features like that, and is actually very nice and well made. And I definitely recommend this power bank. So definitely go ahead and check it out. The links are in the description if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.